There's a new episode. Part 10 here. We have finally reached 10 videos. And I finally got 2 subscribers. You remember last time? I told you guys we will come back and play Twister X again. Now we are. So. Yeah. Twister X. Spotted. I love you guys. I love you guys because we finally got 2 subscribers. A tornado. Yeah. What? This is the Batmobile. This is the Batmobile. Check on the radar. There's...
The National Weather Service.
Where are we?
Thunderstorm warning for Plainfield County, North Central Coldora. Wheat County, North Central Coldora. Rivulet County, North Central Coldora. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated.
Guys, we see like a tornado. We see a tornado. We gotta go.
Galva, Cashtown, Dayton.
Tornado, go ahead there, quick. Go ahead there, I got it. Okay, I should just pick a new car. Or just run there.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Plainfield
We
County.
need to turn around and let's see.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Hayden, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Hayden, Cashtown, Redfield, Green Lake. This is a very dangerous storm.
20 miles per hour. I
Seek
can't
shelter in
remember.
a strong building.
That's it.
The safest place to
Gotta
be
go.
during a tornado is in a basement.
Tornado puncher.
Get under a workbench or other
What
piece of sturdy
the?
furniture. If no basement
Go
is
catch
available,
it.
seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets
That is
close to cover your body and always stay away from windows.
That is
Evacuate
insane.
them
We
and
see a
get
tornado.
If no shelter is available, lie flat
I'm
on an
going
extended
to. I'm not
sheet
going to
or
any
other
dumb
cover your head with
shelter.
your hands.
We got right. God, that's a tornado. What am I doing? We're heading to a tornado. Am I insane? Yes, I am. Yeah, this is the red spot. We are in a red color spot. God, that's a real tornado. God, this is laggy. Sorry, this is laggy again. My face is I hope I have comments now for the Manic Sandbox one. I haven't checked in a long time. I'm catching up. I can drive on water. I can catch it. I can catch it, everyone. Like and subscribe. Ah! Losing control. Losing control. I'm losing control. We're close by. That means we're close by. If we're losing control, then we're close by, right? 100%. At least like 20 meters away. I see it. Oh no. I'm chasing it. I see it. I finally see it. Woo! Tornado! It does nothing. So yeah, guys, we just wasted 4 minutes on this part of seeing this tornado. So hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. I love you guys. Peace.